Hey YouTube, it's Matt here. So I wanted to show you how I installed my BoxLink cleats onto these plates. I already had another video where I showed you how to get these plates on after you got a spray and Bedliner, mine's Linux in particular, but I found that once I got these brackets on, the spray-in, I guess, was thick enough that these cleats were difficult to get into the bracket. So when you slide it in, it doesn't want to go up because it's got to go in and up, and this part locks in. So there was another YouTuber, shout out to Matt G, he came up with an interesting idea to flip it upside down and stick it in, and then while you had it there, he said take a hammer and then you can hit on the bottom of this to tap it up into place without this being in the way of the hammer. And that was a good option. I tried that and it did work and I was able to get it up in, but then when I took it out and flipped it around, it still didn't slide up very easily. So I just want to show you another option that worked well for me. So what I did was I slid it in as far as I could. It doesn't matter if this is locked or unlocked, just keep it out of, pushed down out of the way. Now to get this to go up, what I did was I took a short dowel rod, I don't know, what is this, like 5 inches long, and I found a little lip right at the base right here above the part that moves, and I stuck the dowel rod right there, and then I'm able to take my hammer and just tap on the bottom of this here like that, and I'm able to tap this up into place. So hopefully this is helpful to you. It's another way I found to get this on because it's pretty tight in there. Once you get that spray in added, there's not a lot of room to work with. So good luck.